So in this particular problem, discount rate is 5%. So the management is very confident about the accuracy and all the estimates of product A. So decide whether B Limited should proceed with manufacture of product A. So we need to decide based on NPV. So if NPV is positive, we can go ahead. Then prepare a statement showing how sensitive the NPV of manufacturing product A is to errors of estimation in each of the three factors: product life, annual sales volume, and material cost per unit of product A. So here we are going to analyze sensitivity, how sensitive the particular project is if the product life alone is changing. That is, what is the tolerance limit we are going to see. If project life is changing, all the other elements remains constant. That is, discount rate, everything remains constant. So we need to calculate that also. So first we will calculate NPV. So sales is computation of NPV. So sales is 22 lakhs, 22 into 10,000 units they have given. So 2 lakh 20,000. Then here direct labor 5 rupees per unit. So direct labor 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Then material they have given 4.5. So 4.5 into 10,000, so 45,000. Then variable overheads. Here variable overheads is given as 2.5. So 25,000 it will come. Then rent is 8,000. This and all fixed cost rent. Then manager's salary 7,000 minus 2,000, so 5,000. So here total inflow is 87,000 per annum. So this is for the period of 5 years. So we need to calculate discounting factor. That is, in the end of the years, for 5 years at 5%, they have given 4.33. So present value factor 4.33. So 87,000 into 4.33. So 3,76,710. Present value of cash inflows. So here outflow is they have mentioned 2,50,000. So 3,76,000 minus 2,50,000, 1,26,710. This is our NPV. Since NPV is positive, we can go for this. Now we need to calculate sensitivity factor for product life, etc. So product life is based on discounted payback method. So if what is meant by payback, if payback is means the outflow, that is whatever we are investing, we are recovering it back. So say for example, if it is payback is 2 years, so in that particular point of time, inflow is equal to outflow, so we recovered everything, that is break even point. So here we are going to use discounted payback method. So product life is based on discounted payback method. So for that particular inflow is 87,000. So at 5%, so 1 divided by 1.05. For second year, it is to the power of 2. So I am rounding it off to 3 decimals, so 0.952, 0.907, 0.864, 823, 784. So present value of inflows. So here we need to calculate cumulative present value of inflows, that is 82,000 for the first year, 82,824 plus 78,989, then again 1,61,000 plus 75,168, like that. So here our investment is 2.5 lakhs. So we are recording at the end of 3 years 2,36,000. So really a little bit is balanced, so that we will recover initially at the beginning of the 4 years itself. So we need to see 3 years plus. We already recovered in 2.5 lakhs, we already recovered 2,36,901 divided by fourth year income is 71,601. So if you are solving 0.182, 3 years plus 0.182, that is 3.2 years is our payback, discounted payback. So sensitivity is 5 years is our lifetime, so 5 minus 3.2 divided by 5 years again for lifetime into 100. So 36% is sensitive to this particular product life. So if it is the product life is reducing more than 3.2 years, that is if it is goes 3 years, we will get loss in this project, that is NPV will be negative. So the project is sensible for 36%. So up to 36% the product can lose its life, so no impact will be there. Then second one is sales volume. So annual sales volume is getting changed, so all the other things remains constant, so that means number of units is changed. So number of units is considered as X here. So always remember in sensitivity, NPV will be 0, that is inflow is equal to outflow. So here inflow is 87,000, inflow is sales, we can consider sales, right? So 22 rupees per unit into X, that is number of units. So present value factor into 4.33 for 5 years. Here outflow is 2.5 lakhs plus material cost See, material cost is 4.5, labor is 5, then variable overheads is 2.5. So into number of units X, so into 4.33, again you will get, plus my fixed overheads 8,000 plus 5,000 manager salaries into 4.33. So 22 into 4.33, 95.26x is equal to 2.5 lakhs plus 4.5 plus 5, 9.5, 12. So 12x into 4.33, 12 into 4. So 51.96x plus 13,000 into 4.33. So 56,290. So 56,290. So again 95.26x minus 51.96x is equal to 2.5 lakhs plus 56,290, 3 lakh 6,290. 95.26 minus 51.96 is equal to 43.3x. Is equal to 3 lakh 6,290. So x is equal to 3 lakh 6,290 divided by 43.3. So x will be 7,074. We can't produce in fraction, so 7,074 will be units. So 10,000 units is my annual budget. So up to 7,074 sales volume can reduce. So divided by 10,000 into 100. So that will be comes around 29.26%. Then now material cost per unit is changed. So material cost, so my outflow is 2.5 lakhs. So 2.5 lakhs is equal to inflow, that is sales 2,20,000 my sales, and here material cost per unit is x. So 10,000 units into x. So minus here my labor 5 rupees and variable overheads is 2.5, so total 7.5. So minus 7.5 into 10,000, 75,000. 75,000. Again my rent is 8,000, and then salary manager for manager is 5,000. So this I need to convert it for 5 years present value. So into 4.33. So if I am solving this, 2,50,000 is equal to 2,20,000 minus 75,000 minus 8,000 minus 5,000, I will get 1,32,000. So 1,32,000 minus 10,000 x into 4.33. So here again, if I am solving this, 1,32,000 into 4.33 will come around 5,71,560 minus 10,000 into 4.33, 43,300 x. So 43,300 x is equal to 5,71,560 minus 2.5 lakhs So 43,300 x is equal to 3,21,560. So x is equal to 3,21,560 divided by 43,300. So x will be 7.426.